morning students. Welcome to online classes. Now we are learning about alcohol, phenol and ether, that is unit 11. And in previous classes I have already explained about electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol such as nadation, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reaction and Riemer-Tiemann reaction. And today's topic is oxidation. When phenol oxidizes in the presence of suitable oxidizing agents such as Na2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7, KMnO4 or CrO3 etc. Various oxidizing agents are used for the purpose of oxidation as I have already told you in my previous classes. Here we use sodium dichromate as oxidizing agent. When sodium dichromate and phenol in the presence of H2SO4, H2SO4 act as dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means absorption of water. The agent which absorbs water is called as dehydrating agent. Phenol converted into benzoquinone when oxidizes in the presence of sodium dichromate and H2SO4. As well as water molecules are also formed, and students are thinking that one hydrogen of benzene ring and one hydrogen, that is in the form of OH, takes part in addition reaction and forming H2O, and one oxygen of O2 attached with such carbon and another one by such carbon, and benzoquinone is formed as given on blackboard. Now we will talk about next property, that is some commercial importance of alcohol, methanol and ethanol. Really it is deleted in 2021 examination from CBSE board examination. So I am leaving this topic, but I am telling some general thing only. To understand about the science students, it is necessary that you are chemistry student, so it is necessary that you must should know about property of methanol and ethanol. Really methanol is called as poisonous alcohol, and if any student is unknown from such one and which is already studied about chemistry, then it is not a good thing. Methanol is a poisonous alcohol. On using methanol, little amount of methanol causes permanent blindness or madness or both, and large amount of methanol causes death. So it is necessary that be always preventive from methanol, and you always tell about the property of methanol to all those persons whom are in attachment to you. Boiling point of methanol is 64 degrees Celsius, and it is easily miscible in water due to hydrogen bonding. Now I am telling about ethanol. Ethanol is used as alcoholic drink, and boiling point of ethanol is 78 degrees Celsius. It is also miscible in water due to hydrogen bonding. Methyl alcohol, that is methanol, and ethyl alcohol, that is ethanol, both are used as organic solvent, and they are also used as spirit in the spirit lamp. These are the general properties of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol, which is deleted in 2021 examination, but I have told you in general, for general point of view, that it is necessary to chemistry student they must should know about the general properties of alcohols. Now we will talk about ether. General formula of ether is ROR, or it may be also in the form of aliphatic. Except aliphatic aromatic rings are also used at the place of aliphatic alkyl group, such as it is called as dialkyl ether and it is called as diphenyl ether. Diphenyl ether and it is called as dialkyl ether. And I have already told you about nomenclature of ethers in my previous class. And today's topic about ether, preparation of ether. By dehydrogenation of alcohol, by dehydrogenation of alcohol, alcohol 2 parts, that is in the ratio 2:1. Ethanol or any alcohol when treated with 1 part H2SO4, that is ratio is 2:1. Then corresponding ethers are obtained. It is necessary that you should understand about how the chemical reactions takes place. 1 mole of alcohol takes place in a chemical reaction with H2SO4, like such one. By loss of one water molecule, it forms ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate when again takes part in chemical reaction with second mole of alcohol. You have already used 2 moles. Then corresponding ethers are obtained. According reaction, it is ethoxyethane or diethyl ether. Because you have used ethanol, so ethoxyethane is obtained. On heating 140 degrees Celsius, you can convert such temperature in Kelvin also by adding 273. It is the preparation of it, like the laboratory method. We use 2 mole of ethanol and 1 mole of H2SO4. Now we will think about how we determine 2 mole and 1 mole. 2 mole of ethanol and 1 mole of H2SO4. Molecular mass of C2H5OH. Determine what is the molecular mass of C2H5OH. 12 into 2, 20, 24. Plus 6, 5 and 5 and 1 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. 24, 6, 30 and 16. 46. 46 is atomic molecular mass of ethanol. 46 into 2. 46 into 2 is equal to 92 gram ethanol. And molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98. 98 gram H2SO4 is used for the such reaction, and you will obtain ethoxyethane. Any problem? And I think so. That such concept is already clear in my previous classes. I have already told you about how the moles are used. We write 2, 3 or 1. All these concepts express the number of moles. You have already known that is what is the mole. And we will talk about next preparation of ethanol, diethyl ether or ether in my next class. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.